everyone, my name is Brianna and today we're going to be making some Hydro dip art.
Materials you will need include nail polish, clear nail polish, a mug, some toothpicks, hot water, and a bowl. First, pour the hot water into the bowl, but be careful. Now pour some nail polish into the water and swirl the colors with the toothpick. Use as many colors as you like. Next, dip the mug into the water full of polish, then pull the mug out and let it dry. Once dry, go over the colored nail polish with clear nail polish to secure it. You can use the same technique on other things. Have fun!